Let us now meet the starters for both teams. First, for the Commission on Election Suffragettes. Let's start with our outside hitter, number 1, Shanda Manlapid. Opposite hitter, number 6, Shaila Tan. Setter and her team captain at number 9, Janie Yumang. Middle blocker, number 11, Judith Abil. Outside hitter, number 15, Gina Razos. Middle blocker, number 18, Dan Gentroli. Starting libero at number 8, Rhea Manuel. Head coach of the Comelec, Mr. Ricky Marcos. Calling on our Philippine National Police Lady Patrollers. Let's start with our setter and her team captain at number 3, Patrolwoman Entezar Bangcola. Middle blocker, number 5, Priscip Tucas. Another middle blocker, number 7, Cez Oliveros. Opposite hitter, number 9, Police Corporal Caressa Vicente. Outside hitter, number 13, Kia Gomez. Another outside hitter, number 20, Mila Ronquillo. Starting libero at number 2, Lims Limshako. Head coach of the Lady Patrollers, Senior Master Sergeant Juan Pinalba. It's the Suffragettes versus the Lady Patrollers. This is the UNTV Volleyball League Season 2. Win and win, win in sports, win for charity. Good luck to both teams.
Suffragettes coming off a 5-set loss kontra sa SSS. Gendrauli scoring double digits nung last meeting between these two teams. So siya ang siyempre tututukan ng depensa ng Lady Patrollers, who are right now at 6-1 in the standing. Solo number 1 po sila. Coming off a win kontra sa Senado. A very solid performance so far. But yun nga, this is the second round. Ang daming surprises and pasabog. After that win kanina ng BFP kontra sa sa AFP. Opening set underway. Limsiaco will pass. Maganda sagutan to kick things off. Judith Abil sends it into the net para sa unang puntos ng Lady Patrollers.
Yeah, but the blockers were there and ready for the PNP Lady Patrollers.
Patrolwoman Tin Bangcola with a gorgeous serve. Yumang passes. Hit by Abil. Eto si Gomez. It is just outside.
Attack too strong for Gomez right here to start off with PNP. Gusto ditong makabawi talaga ng PNP, no?
Oo.
Kay si Coach Rod kanina, ang sabi niya sa akin, ang babantayan nila yung mga import dito ng Comelec.
Oliveros with the push. Gendrauli battle at the net, and that's going to be a point ulit para sa Lady Patrollers. Gomez with a nice serve. Yumang. Gendrauli off speed. Got it.
Take a look at that hit by Gendrauli.
Serve ni Gina Razos at 2-all. First set. Bangcola to Ronquillo. Yes!
Smart attack by Ronquillo right there. Targeting that middle zone for the Comelec.
Short serve. Yumang. That pass and the hit. Outside para kay Manlapid. Daming errors to start the first set.
Yes.
Para sa Suffragettes. Kakakuha ng mga libre at madadaling puntos ang Lady Patrollers. 4 serving 2. Oliveros with a nice serve. Abil pushes. Bangcola to Vicente. That one is outside.
This time around, too strong naman para dito sa PNP side.
Etukas, ganda yung dig. Abil, inangat ni Gomez. Ronquillo, cross court, yes!
Perfect set also given by Bangkola, given to Ronquillo to deliver that attack.
(5-4). Lamang ang PNP. Shyla Tan with a hit. Inangat ni Vicente, good pass. Ito si Etukas outside. Ang dalawang attack faults na dito para sa Lady Patrollers. Ang ganda nung walang blockers.
Yes,
maganda yung look nila pero medyo nanggigigil.
Tsaka ito yung direction of the ball also. Walang direction, so naging outside talaga yung bola coming from Etukas.
Ronquillo off the block, the Abil, yes!
Challenging the block there of Judith Abil.
Ronquillo with 3 points. Nice serve. Yumang underhand pass. Punta sila kay Abil. Abil block by Etukas. And a nice hit on the rebound.
Abil made sure na it's a point for the Comelec that time around.
Pagkatapos siyang mablock, pinawian niya, binigyan niya pa ng isa to get the kill. 5 serving 6. Nag-ahabol pa rin dito ang Suffragettes. Limsiaco, hindi maganda yung pasa. Naiangat ni Tin Bangkola, pero yung third touch, no good. Nawala na yung kalabangan dito ng Lady Patrollers. Bangkola, tinawag niya yung kanyang mga teammates. Sabi niya, okay lang, let's play better. We're tied at 1. Manlapit nagsaserve.
You really have to play better kasi halos match na match talaga sila nitong kupunan ng Comelec in all areas.
Pia Gomez. Nabendig ni Gendrauli. Gendrauli inatrasan. Will hit. Limsiaco passes 1-2 play. Gomez. Gendrauli. Masyado mababa para kay Abil. She just pushes it. Gomez again against single blocker. And that is picked up by Gendrauli. Good save. Abil tinawid ang bola. Chance ulit. Umatake. Etukas with the tip.
And now she saw that gap in the middle of the Comelec. She drops the ball there.
Etukas, first point niya yun. Lamang na ulit na isa dito ang Lady Patrollers. 7 serving 6. That one is clearly in. Nasa harap pa ni Coach Ricky Marcos. Bumagsak yung bola. A 2-point run para sa Lady Patrollers. Ayun, no? Puntahan natin ito report ni Jess Constantino.
Hi, Eric and Rina. May hint of revenge. Talaga itong PNP Lady Patrollers coming to this game dahil hindi pa nga daw sila nakaka-move on against their first round loss dito nga sa Comelec Suffragettes. Doon a little underman itong PNP today dahil wala silang imports and will be playing the regular players. Tiwala naman daw si Coach Rod na kaya nilang bumawi today. For the Comelec Suffragettes, they will bank on their service and receive dahil ito nga daw yung nagpanalo sa kanila nung first round against PNP. Alam daw ni Coach na pinaghandaan sila ditong PNP at ganoon din naman daw sila. Naghanda rin naman daw sila but priority talaga nila ngayon is yung depensa and their offense will just follow after. Balik muna sa inyo, Eric kanina.
Alright, maraming salamat, Jess. Nag-iisang import meron sila, itong PNP. Andiyan si Tin Bangkola, but everyone else wala. Wala si Simborio, si Sari, si Magpantay. So si Magpantay, few games na itong wala. She has an injury. Nice block. Kontra kay Oliveros. Naiangat ni Bangkola. So a chance ball para sa Suffragettes. Abil off the block. Yes, Judith Abil with her second point.
You know, the last time around, Abil was the top scorer para sa Comelec with 28 points, 18 attacks during that game. The last time that they saw the PNP Lady Patrollers.
She's one of the most experienced players. As you see, Shyla Tan will serve it outside. Sa likod pa ni Coach Pinalba, bumagsak yung bola. Ganun kalayo yung pagka-outside ng bola. Samantala, speaking of the one and only import ng Lady Patrollers, there she is, Tin Bangkola with the serve. She used to play for Letran in college. So may NCAA experience yan. Extensive NCAA experience. Gomez, off speed, easy pickup para sa former UE Lady Warrior, Abil. Abil again, inangat ni Ronquillo. Gomez, medyo namuntik na magkahiyaan si Limsiaco and Oliveros. Yumang underhand pass. Abil again. Off speed. Naiangat ni Gomez. Here comes Oliveros. And a nice work by Shyla Tan. They send it over. Ronquillo ang papalo. Good rally. Abil. Got it. Abil with her third straight point.
She targeted on Ronquillo that time around. Was not able to put up the ball. Abil on the service line now.
Vicente. One-handed dig by Shyla Tan. Gendrauli hits and scores.
It's inside, it's down the line. A nice hit coming from Gendrauli that time around. Nanghinayang si Ronqui eh.
Vicente trying to go down the line. Shyla Tan, maganda yung depensa sa likod. Gendrauli papalo ulit. And Gendrauli with back-to-back points.
Now that is something that the PNP should be aware of. That spot, that middle area. Too strong coming from Abil.
Hindi nagpapaiwan dito sila Abil. In fact, lamang sila noon at 11-10 before that service fault ni Abil. So we're tied at 11. Gendrauli nasa harapan na. Could be a problem para sa Lady Patrollers. Limsiaco with a nice save. Oliveros. Itatawid ang bola. Chance ball. Yumang sets it up. Gendrauli nasa gitna against 3 blockers. Oh, walang katao-tao doon sa kanto.
Very smart para dito kay Gendrauli. She's been targeting that gap or spaces for the PNP Lady Patrollers.
And just like that, lamang ulit ang Suffragettes, 12 serving 11. Pero another service fault. So back-to-back service faults sa Razos naman. Kanina si Abil will send it outside. All. Oliveros ang nagsaserve para sa Lady Patrollers. That is gonna be in. Iniwasan ni Abil thinking it was outside.
Walang sumalo para dito sa kupunan ng Comelec, no?
Yumang. Abil mula sa back row with a push pancake save ni Bangcola. Is not high enough para sa second touch.
But you gotta commend the heart there of Team Bangcola to be able to dive for that ball kahit medyo malayo sa kanya yung bola.
Better pass from Oliveros. Ronquillo, one blocker. Ay angat ni Razos. Gendrauli on a spinning shot. Overpass and good! Napaganda pa para kay Kia Gomez.
With a little help from the net, the ball went inside para dito sa kupunan ng PNP.
Two-point run para sa Lady Patrollers, pero their one-point lead is quickly gone pagkatapos ng service fault ni Vicente. Coach Marcos, the former NU Bulldog, one of the best liberos ever come out sa UAAP and former national team player. Bangcola. Yes, nice push by Etukas. Etukas with a block and the point.
Tukas there was very quick to know where the ball is going, trying to drop ball.
Lamang ulit ang Lady Patrollers. Paalitan lang dito ng puntos para sa parehong koponan. Abil with the left. Inangat ni Vicente. Make that Oliveros. Yumang to Abil against 2 blockers. Yes!
Bangcola was saying it's outside, but it's inside. The ball just smacked the line right there for the PNP.
5 points na para kay Abil, leading scorer. Sinundan siya ni Gendrauli with 4 points. 15 all. Manlapit. Another service fault. Parang wala pa sila na itatawid sa serve nila. So lalamang ulit ang Lady Patrollers ng isa, 16-15. Daming errors, makikita natin yung mamaya. Samantala, punta natin si Jess Constantino.
Eric and Rina, Kia Gomez of the PNP Lady Patrollers moved in Manila last March to play here at UNTV. Originally from Sarangani, language barrier daw talaga yung naging challenge niya sa paglipat niya dito. But laking pasalamat niya nga daw to her teammates who are always helpful na nag-ease na rin daw ng pain ng kanyang homesickness na nafe-feel niya paminsan-minsan. And aside from gaining new friends, makapwesto ng maganda at manalo nga dito sa UNTV, yung wish ni Kia, para nga daw sulit naman daw yung mga sacrifice niya of living here for 6 months. Paganda na ng paganda yung game natin, kaya balik muna sa inyo, Eric and Rina.
Ganda yung laro. Ito, back-to-back points. Oliveros, pagkatapos ng kill block kanina, meron siyang off-speed hit. And all of a sudden, a 3-point run para sa Lady Patrollers. Mapapatawag ng timeout, Coach Ricky Marcos ng Suffragettes. Pakinggan natin ang comment.
The Lady Patrollers.
Tara, dito kayo, kapunta ngayon yan. Stoy ate, service naman natin. Dikita na nga, Paul 15. Service pa natin aero pa natin. Kakasabi lang kanina, service receive. Depensa naman tayo, chance ball na nga lang. Di pa natin na-convert sa depensa. Saan tayo pupulutin nito? Sila marunong mag-serve. Marunong dumepensa kayo. Marunong ba kayo dumepensa? Pagkaan na nga lang, hindi pa natin kaya. Saan tayo kukuha? Saan tayo kukuha ng puntos? Di ba wala tayong pagkukuhaan? Pagkaan na nga lang, ibabalik, hindi natin kaya.
Focus ka. Kaya niyan. Or kaya niyan. Kaya niyan. Kaya niyan. Kaya niya yan. Kaya niyan.
It all really starts with a good defense para dito sa kupunan ng Comelec, no? And very important talaga sa kanila na, gandahan din nila yung mga serve na binibigay nila sa kabilang kupunan. In fact, on their last game, dun din sila nanalo, no? Dun sa mga service aces na ipinamalas nila against the PNP. But right now, they're not doing it on this first set of action here.
Bangkola nakangiti. Why not? 3-point run para sa Lady Patrollers. Lamang sila ng 3 dito. And they're going up against a team na tumalo sa kanila. Now, one and only loss nila. 6-1 record. At ang nagpahirap sa kanila nung first round itong Comelec Suffragettes. Abil. Yes! Gandang response after the timeout ni Coach Ricky Marcos na mainit ang ulo na kanina. Gagalit na si Coach Marcos
Oo, pero bawing-bawi naman dito with conviction yung kanyang atake para dito kay Judy Abil.
Samantala, Tanagan, China Tanagan in the game for the first time. Papalitan si Shaila Tan, one of the 4 imports. No, actually, hindi pala. Regular employee ito si Tanagan.
Yes.
2-point game. Short pass galing kay Ronquillo, Kia Gomez, yung taga-Sarangani nga, na report kanina ni Jess Constantino. Tanagan, underhand pass. Gonna be a chance ball dito. Limsiaco passes. Gomez ulit. Oh, good dig para kay Manlapit. Tanagan, itatawid ulit. Another chance ball for the Lady Patrollers. Gomez, papatayin na ba? Another dig, this time by Tanagan. Papalo, Judith Abil, blocked up top by Oliveros. Susubok ulit si Abil. Oh, what a save by Limsiaco. And Bangkola, pero smart play by Judith Abil. Kita niya, kagulo pa yung depensa. Kaya binalik niya agad on the first touch.
Alam niya, hindi pa kasi nakaposisyon ng PNP. Kaya binalik niya agad yung bola. And that's an opportunity for them, no? Para hindi nila makuha yung bola ng PNP.
So pagkatapos ng 3-point run, ng Lady Patrollers, sumagot ang Suffragettes with a 2-point run. So isa na lang hinahabol nila dito. A chance to tie kung makakadepensa sila. Go. Tanagan bouncing on the floor for the dig. Oliveros. Inangat. Block up top. No, sabi ni Oliveros, hindi ko nahawakan. Sabi naman ni Humang, may block. And Humang, team captain ng Suffragettes, will complain to Paulie Sanchez, our first referee. Samantala, Bangkola waiting. Padilla will check in for Vicente. Ito, panoorin natin. Parang may touch na. Parang fingertips, sabi ni Oliveros, wala doon. Pero it seems like she touched it up top. Wala tayong replay or challenge system dito. So, the call will stand. The referee, Paulie Sanchez. Good pass by Tanagan. Ito si Abil with a drop. Dug by Bangkola. And that pass Sinalo ng maayos ni Razos. Abil again. That's on the line. Abil will score.
Abil is very talented. Sometimes she can put on a softball, a hard ball. Ito, very strong yung kanyang naging atake. At maganda yung kanyang drop dun sa kanyang down the line dito sa court ng PNP.
Pero si Abil in the back row now. Serving Abil with 8 points. Top scoring para sa parehong koponan actually. 18 serving 19. Good pass by Ronquillo. Gomez. Yes!
This time around, ball not anticipated by on the side of the Comelec right there. Gendrauli was trying to block it pero lumusot agad yung bola.
Yumang. Tinawid on the second touch. Ronquillo naman sa kabila. Single blocker lang. And she will score against Shaila Tan.
Good set coming from Team Bangkola for Ronquillo to have a time to attack the ball.
Gendrauli. Oh, nice play. Ang ganda ng save ni Oliveros. Abil, back row. Inangat ni Limsiaco. What a save by Gendrauli. Papalo na naman si Abil. One-handed set. Oliveros with a push. Oliveros inangat. Ronquillo will hit. Cross court. Panlapit. Make that Razos with the up. Limsiaco saves it. What a rally. Oliveros pushes. Again, Razos with the up. Gendrauli. Easy over. Ronquillo. Tough angle. Inangat ni Abil. Gendrauli ulit. Limsiaco with the left hand. Kia Gomez. Late na. Nagkagulo doon ang Lady Patrollers. Nobody thinking of getting the third touch.
A miscommunication on the part of the PNP. Pero maganda na rin yung kaninang nilalaro nila, no? Especially on the setter, distributing the ball to everyone.
Suffragettes, si Coach Pinalba. Suffragettes, may substitution. Razos uupo. And si Victoria Hernan will check in. Serving 21. Lamang pa rin ang dalawa. Ang red shirts. Oliveros umikot. Overpassed by Yumang. Padilla. And here comes Ronquillo. Yes!
With a little help from the net also, Ronquillo made that attack.
Upo ulit si Hernan and si Razos. Jean Razos back in. Oliveros with the serve. Kantong-kanto. Second time out ito ni Coach Marcos. Sa tabi niya naman, bumagsak yung bola on that service ace by Oliveros. Pakinggan natin ang Comelec.
Ate, pasa 4 ka na para hindi ka mahirapan na. Ate, dalawa na kayo. Wala na tayong aasahan dyan. Okay, patagawin na lang natin yan. Hindi naman masyado ano. Kaya nyo na yan, ha? Para dito, first position, pagbalikan, mag-ready kayo, ha? Okay? Dito ka na, Danny, sa inyo na yan. Isa-isayin natin yan. Pag nakaikot tayo, kunin natin sa, ano yan, sa service yan para makadikit tayo, ha? Tara, go.
Sipagan nyo lang, sipagan nyo. Kaya na yan. Apat lang yan. Dalawa na lang yan, ha? Dalawa na lang.
Sige.
Well, kung dinig yung timeout ni Coach Marcos, parang he's giving the set away. Actually, sabi niya, pabayaan nyo na to.
Oo.
Kasi they're down by 4 and ang kalaban nila, Lady Patrollers, only need 2 points to win it. So he's looking forward to set number 2. Kaya sabi niya nga lang, ayusin nyo lang yung laro nyo, get your rhythm, and maybe a little bit of momentum para pagpasok ng set 2, medyo mainit na sila. And, let's see, baka naman makakuha pa sila ng 2 or 3 straight points and make this one a closer finish. Or maybe even get a turnaround. Gendrauli, ayun na. Good response after the timeout. Gendrauli with her 5th point.
Dan Gendrauli making that ball escape the blockers of the PNP, no?
Jane Yumang. Ronquillo kontra sa 2 blockers. Oh, Ronquillo. She has the hot hand. Back-to-back points para kay Ronquillo. She now has 6.
Tamang-tama yung pag-jump dito ng blockers ng Comelec, kaya lang medyo butas. Kaya lumusot yung bola ni Ronquillo.
So 4 set points para sa Lady Patrollers. Padilla with a good serve. Yumang to Gendrauli with a drop. Yes!
Kala nila it was strong kasi nag-run pa si Gendrauli ng konti, but she gave the ball very soft.
6 points para kay Gendrauli. 1 set point save. But si Gendrauli nasa likod na ngayon. Bad pass by Gomez. Nahirapan doon si Pangcola. So 2 straight points scored and 2 set points saved by the Suffragettes. Tatawag naman ng timeout si Coach Rod Pinalba. We'll listen in.
Relaxan tayo. Huwag matay-matins, ha? Isa na lang yan, oh.
Kalma.
Kalma lang.
Kalma lang.
Isang kuha lang, ha? Saan receive, ha? Isang magandang receive.
Kagat ka sa A, kagat ka sa A.
Okay lang, okay lang.
Isang magandang play lang, isang magandang receive para matapos na to, huwag na pahabain pa.
Killer instinct tayo.
Ready ah, pinapatapat sa yung blocker ha. Gawin natin yan.
Tara, tara.
Abang ano na siya?
Isa lang, isa.
Isang magandang bala.
Hey, baby!
One good receive para dito sa kupunan ng PNP Lady Patrollers as they're now at set point.
Right, let's see. Maganda yung serve ni Gendrauli kanina. Can she get another one in? Kasi makatikit sila dito ng 23. Pag-asa na sila.
Oo, kayang-kaya nilang habulin yan.
Better pass. Ronquillo. Yes! Oh, Ronquillo has scored the last 3 points para sa Lady Patrollers. Ronquillo with 7. Top scoring para sa PNP and they get the 3-point win.
Ang ganda ng mga attacks na ipinamalas dito ng PNP, no? Especially with Ronquillo dahil halos sa kanya yung mga attacking binibigay ng setter.
Ronquillo with 7. Oliveros with 5 and Etucas with 3. Yan ang inyong mga leading scorers para sa Lady Patrollers. Samantala, Judith Abil with 8, Gendrauli with 7. Sila lang po ang nakapuntos para sa Suffragettes, but they lose by 3 points, 25-22 kontra sa PNP after the first set. Yan po ang 3-set win ng Lady Patrollers kontra sa Suffragettes. In the first set, 27 minutes. Dikit na dikit, ano?
Oo nga, yung pinamalas dito. Kasi it's yung mga errors lang talaga dito ng Comelec Suffragettes. It's more on their service errors, no? Yun talaga yung hindi nila makuha dito sa first set natin and hoping that they will be able to get it on the second set. And there are some zones or spaces na hindi rin nila masyadong nakocoveran. Kaya nga nabubutasan din sila dito at nakakapuntos dito ang PNP Lady Patrollers. Halos match na match din sila dun sa kanilang mga attack points dito, pero mas lumamang pa dito ang PNP when it comes to the service aces, no, and the blocks here. When it comes to attack points, yun talaga maganda yung pinamalas nung both sides. Of course, we have Abil for the Comelec, and then para naman dito sa kupunan ng PNP, they have a lot of players scoring for them, especially itong si Ronquillo and Oliveros right now.
We have had several deadlocks, pero hindi po nakalamang ni 1 point ang Suffragettes wearing the white and the blue kontra sa mga red shirts ng Lady Patrollers who led by as many as 4 points. So hindi ganun kalaki yung kalamangan ng nila Vicente and the Lady Patrollers. But you can say that na-control nila yung first set. Ano bang mangyayari dito sa set number 2? We will find out. We are about to get underway. Second set ng ating final game as we start the second round ng Season 2. Kia Gomez hits it. Abil with the dig. Yumang. That's double contact. Aminado si Yumang, walang reklamo.
Oo.
Bangkola. Ooh, that's gonna be way outside.
Too strong para dito kay Team Bangkola on that serve. Team had 3 points during their last game against the Comelec.
Bangkola sets it. Vicente with a tip, and it's on the line. And chinecheck ni Gendrauli and the Yumang, the first referee, Paulie Sanchez. Sanchez saying, yeah, it is in. Tawa na lang doon si Jane Yumang. 2-1. Lady Patrollers, Kia Gomez with a serve. Gendrauli passes. Gendrauli gets it back. Ronquillo, inangat. Nice block by Gendrauli. Wait a minute, may touch or net touch or crossing the center line para kay Limsiaco. Panoorin nyo rito, Limsiaco will save it. And yeah.
It's crossing the line, no?
So palitan ng puntos because of palitan ng errors sa parehong koponan here early in set number 2. What a dig. Coming from Yumang, another double contact violation, this time kontra kay Abil. Palitan ng errors, puro errors.
Oo nga, ang bilis tuloy ng puntos dito sa second set.
Oliveros, pinabayaan ni Gendrauli. That's an ace.
Hindi niya alam kung sasaluhin niya o sasaluhin ng katabi niya.
That's the 4th ace para sa Lady Patrollers. Wala pa po, nakaisa na rin naman pala ng first set. Itong Suffragettes. Shyla Tan, inangat ni Oliveros. Ronquillo. Good dig para kay Razos. But Shyla Tan, muntik na. Tukas, dinalawang kamay na, kinapos pa rin.
Okay yung idea niya to be able to drop the ball there kasi walang tao doon. Kaya lang sumabit sa net.
So another error para makapuntos ang kabilang koponan. Gendrauli serving 3-4. Speaking of errors, ayun.
It's still the same struggle para dito sa koponan ng Comelec doon sa kanilang service area.
Walang arangkada no? Dahil puro errors parehong koponan. That's a serve by Vicente. Gendrauli mula sa back row. Nice set. Manlapit, inangat. Bangkola with a tip. Medyo kagulo pa yung depensa ng Suffragettes on the 1-2 play ni Tim Bangkola.
And Judith Abil was not ready to be able to get that ball even on her left hand.
Tanagan is back in the game para kay Gendrauli. Tatlo na tong kalamangan ng Lady Patrollers. Abil. That's outside.
Parang nanggigil na si Abil doon but it's too strong talaga. Walang, it's straight lang eh.
Back to the, actually this is the biggest lead sa set number 2 para sa Lady Patrollers, matching their biggest lead in set number 1. 4 points. Bangkola, underhand pass. Ronquillo. Pinangat ni Tanagan. Abil. Ronquillo with a dig. Bangkola on a 1-2 play. Yumang, back row, Tanagan. Oliveros with the pass. Ronquillo. Got it! Ito na po.
A little challenge on the back row para dito sa kupunan ng Comelec. Nobody's there to get the ball.
Ito na ang pinakamalaking kalamangan ng Lady Patrollers at 5 points. Let's go to Jess Constantino.
Eric and Rina, Coach Ricky Marcos reminded the Suffragettes kung saan ba sila nagsisimula na kumuha ng putos. It starts with their service nga daw, and as mentioned by Rina a while ago, ito nga yung naging problema ng Comelec in their first set. Kaya ang bilin nga ni Coach ngayong second set, huwag nga daw nilang pahirapan yung sarili nila. Simulan nila sa magandang service and of course, sa maganda ring receive. Balik muna sa inyo, guys.
Maraming salamat.
Oh, yun yung
Jess?
sabi ni Coach din kanina eh. Kapag kasi maganda yung mga service nila, magiging maganda yung opensa ng kanilang koponan. And right now, tingnan natin, no? Kasi it has been a struggle para dito sa Lady Suffragettes.
And pati atake, ito, struggle para kay Judith Abil, their top scorer. Back-to-back attack faults para kay Abil. So it's a 9-4 lead, 5-point lead para sa Lady Patrollers. Abil, susubok ulit. This time, blocked by Etukas. Etukas with a hit. Oh, what a dig from Tanagan. Abil ulit. Bangkola. Gomez. Inangat ni Yumang. Tanagan will set. Abil doesn't like it. Underhand pass. Etukas with a push. Tanagan will set. Abil. Gomez on a 1-2 play. Manlapit. Almost. Yeah, it was an overpass. Bangkola sends it over. Tanagan with the first touch. Razos outside. Biggest lead, 6 points para sa Lady Patrollers.
Kita mo, some of the players at Comelec, medyo pagod na rin sila, no? Second set pa lang tayo.
Attorney Audrey Nocon, number 13, papasok para kay Jean Razos. Abil. One-handed dig para kay Oliveros. Inangat ni Ronquillo. Gomez will send it over. Abil with the first touch. Shaila Tan. Oliveros again. Ang gandang depensa sa likod. Etukas. Picked up by Yumang. Gonna be a chance ball. Galing sa Suffragettes. Bangkola. Gomez. And Yumang one-handed dig. Abil another chance ball. Marami-rami na to. Can Bangkola put it away here? Oh, into the net para kay Etukas. Wasted opportunity.
At least a good rally right there coming from these two teams, no? Kinulang lang si Etukas dun sa timing sa bola.
Etukas, that's her 4th error. Tatlo pa lang na ipupuntos niya. Gomez, off speed. Yes! Ito na naman, manlapit, Tanagan, to combo na to, hindi nag-uusap masyado, no?
Yes, oo. Parang hindi nila nasalo agad yung bola doon, hindi agad nakadive for the ball.
Kanina may serve din na dumaan sa kanilang dalawa, Ngayon, off-speed hit lang. 6-point lead! Lucky break para kay Etukas. Mahilig sa net to si Etukas.
Oo nga a little help from the net all the time para dito kay Etukas.
This is now the biggest lead para sa Lady Patrollers at 7 points. Time out ulit si Coach Marcos.
Kayo na yun Tignan nyo, magagaan lang naman. Hindi natin makonvert sa atake. Nakakailang balik sa atin, hindi natin makonvert sa atake, di ba? Sarili nyo na, error nyo na yan Okay? At sino mapalo? Ako na lang mapalo para puntos agad. Gusto nyo? Okay, Sa inyo na yan. Maraming chance ball, di natin makakonvert sa atake. Huwag mo masyado list, Judith. Mabababa lang may block niyan Hindi naman katulad yan sa, di ba, na matataas yung block niyan. Gilid-gilid mo lang yan. Okay lang yan. Kaya naman nila yan, Huwag kayo magsama magigigil, okay? Depensa, gumagalaw na kayo tuloy-tuloy lang. At sa didepensahan nyo. Okay, tara, go.
I think it's more of controlling the ball then para dito kay Judith Abil, no? Yung sinasabi ni Coach Ricky Marcos nga sa kanya. Kasi kanina napakarami talaga ng mga atake na gustong ibigay ni Judith Abil. Kaya lang talagang lumalagpas ito dun sa court, no? So nagiging outside ito. So it's all about controlling the ball then para sa Comelec.
First timeout lang yun ni Coach Marcos. He has one more timeout remaining. Samantalang ang Lady Patrollers, so far they have 2 timeouts. They have not used any. Service ace! Back-to-back aces para kay Etukas to. Biggest lead na at 8 points. Hindi makakuha ng side out ang Suffragettes. Better pass by Tanagan. Yumang, Abil. Blocked by Oliveros. Yumang, babalik ulit kay Abil. Why not? Bangkola. Kia Gomez. Got it.
And once again, nobody was there to dive for the ball for the side of the Comelec, no? Medyo nahihirapan sila to dive for the ball.
Binubutasan na binubutasan ng Lady Patrollers ang Suffragettes. Here in set number 2, Vicente with a nice up. Gomez again. Yumang, Abil on the second touch. Inangat ni Ronquillo. Etukas from the back row. Tanagan pops it up. Abil, cross court. Gomez saves it. Olivero sends it over. And binenas pa. Si Yumang on the first touch was not ready for it.
Di siya ready to be able to receive the ball, no? Kaya hindi rin ready yung mga players behind her to be able to catch that ball.
Very short 10-point lead. Balik sa 9 after that service fault ni Etukas. So Fernando naman, number 4, attorney Fernando will check into the game for the first time.
Abil to serve right now for the Lady Suffragettes.
Ito interesting statistic na bigay sa atin, Rina, no? Yung 6 points ng Suffragettes, well, before that, lahat yung errors lang ng Lady Patrollers. Ngayon pa lang bumuntos off their offense itong Suffragettes at service ace ni Abil. Ganun kahirap ang opensa sa kanila early in set number 2. Pero yun lang, doon naman puputol. Service fault ni Abil. So it is a 10-point lead ulit para sa Lady Patrollers. I beg your pardon, 9-point lead lang. 16-7. Puntahan natin si Jess Constantino.
Eric and Rina, before the back-to-back service ace ni Chris Etukas, medyo nahirapan daw siyang maglaro dahil nalaglag yung kanyang contact lenses in one of the plays. She admitted na medyo nahihirapan siya now dahil nga hindi daw niya matimingan yung bola, pero handa pa rin naman daw siyang maglaro para manalo for the PNP Lady Patrollers. Balik sa inyo, guys.
Maraming salamat, Jess. Kaya pala kanina medyo hindi niya makuha yung timing sa net. Dalawang beses siya nag-net violation.
Parang hirap din na maglaro na may contact lenses ka, no?
Samantala, ito si Tanagan scoring. It was a 10-point lead ulit at 17-7, pero magiging 17-8 after that Tanagan point. That's short para kay Olivero, so back-to-back points for the Suffragettes.
Good block coming from Tanagan right there.
Attorney Nocon, second straight serve. Pangcola to Gomez. There's a net touch. Yeah, malapit. Tatawagan ng net touch. No, si Tanagan. Tanagan ang tatawagan. Number 2. Sabi ni second referee Ryan Vincent Corpus. Malapit to Tanagan. Inangat. Yumang. Tanagan ulit sa gitna. This time, ang may net touch naman. Si Vicente, it seems.
Wala pang mahahabang rallies for these two teams, no? Kaliwat kanan yung kanilang mga errors also.
10 serving 18. Daming service fault para dito sa Suffragettes after ni Abil. Ito si Yumang.
The struggle is real for the service line para dito pa rin sa Comelec.
Samantala, marami-raming aces na to. Nakadalawa si Etukas. And to si Oliveros gets another one. And it's back to a 10-point lead. Ulit for the third time para sa Lady Patrollers. Abil, back row. Oliveros, inangat. Tingnan mag-agawan, dalawang players doon. Vicente went for it and scored. Now an 11-point lead para sa Lady Patrollers.
Kabanggaan si Yumang at saka si Abil that time around. Hindi rin kasi nag-communicate sila yung dalawa.
Bad pass. Another ace. Wow, that's 9 aces. We're checking, ha? Kasi 9 aces na nga. In just a little under 2 sets para sa Lady Patrollers. As Bangkola uupo, si Vicente uupo. Paginado will check in along with Salas.
Nung unang paghaharap nila, actually itong Comelec na to, they were able to get the first 2 sets there. Ngayon parang naging baliktad yung storya naman. It's the PNP trying to reclaim the first 2 sets here. They really wanted to bounce back, no?
And ang ganda ng nilalaro nila ngayon. They're up by 12 points. Ito, chance to attack, make it a 13-point lead. And yun na yun.
Ang galing ng pagkaset ng bola, mababa lang, pero andun agad kasi yung attacker nila. So mabilis lang na ipasa agad yung bola.
Ibalik na yata ni Etukas yung contacts niya. Etukas now with 6 points. It's a 13-point lead para sa Lady Patrollers. Tanagan. Paginado says, ako na. Tanagan ulit. Second hit. That's on the line. Substitution muna para sa Lady Patrollers as Etukas will sit down and Tejada papasok for the first time today. Isa mga veterano to sa lineup ni Coach Rod Pidalba. Imsiaco with the up. Paginado. Underhand pass. Yumang Abil against 3 blockers. Yes!
Nice tip of the ball there coming from Judith Abil. Nakalagpas ito dun sa 3 blockers ng PNP Lady Patrollers.
Abil may 10 na. First player in double digits para sa Suffragettes. Samantalang si Oliveros naman yung top scorer with 10 para sa Lady Patrollers. Ace para kay Tanagan. They've scored 3 straight points.
Not a good pass coming from Salas also.
Paginado. Ito si Ronquillo. And that's gonna be set point. 11 set points para sa Lady Patrollers.
Ronquillo has been doing this attack kanina pa, the cross-court attack. Napakaganda nung performance niya lagi for the PNP Lady Patrollers.
8 points para kay Ronquillo. Paginado serving. Oh, almost an overpass. Save is no good. That's going to be 4 touches kontra sa Suffragettes, and that'll be it. This is a 12-point win for the Lady Patrollers in set number 2. That was the 4-touch violation. You see some highlights, Rina.
Yes, pinapakita natin dito. Napakaganda nung pinapakita talaga ng PNP. They were really going for the ball, making sure it's always up. At para naman dito sa kupunan ng, of course, ng Comelec, no? Nabubutasan talaga sila. Nahanapan talaga sila ng butas ng PNP Lady Patrollers dito.
10 points para kay Oliveros to lead the Lady Patrollers. 10 points para kay Judith Abil to lead the Suffragettes. And right now, it is PNP 2 sets to nothing against the only team na tumalo sa kanila in the first round, ang Comelec Suffragettes.
As you can see, the second set there has been won by the PNP. So dalawang set na yung naipanalo dito ng PNP Lady Patrollers. Napakababa nitong mga binigay na scores dito ng Comelec Suffragettes.
After a tough first set, mas in control ang Lady Patrollers here in set number 2.
Oo, kitang-kita naman natin, no? Especially on the attack points dito ng PNP. Napakalaki yung binigay nila, 9 as opposed to the 3 given by the Comelec here. At saka yung maganda, yung pinapamalas nila dun sa service line nila. They have 6 service aces here as opposed to the 2 given here by the Comelec. Pero kanina nga, nagsagutan lang sila dun sa mga errors nila. Kaya hindi masyadong maganda yung palitan ng bola or wala masyadong long rallies dun sa ating second set.
And yung 6 aces na yun ang masakit para sa Suffragettes. Doon sila iniwanan eh.
Oo.
Ng Lady Patrollers. Let's see kung may adjustments pa sila dito in set number 3. Now or never, ika nga, para kay Coach Marcos and the Suffragettes, must win in order to extend yung match. Otherwise, they will taste their first loss in the second round at sa kamayo ng koponan na tinalo nila in 5 sets in the first round ang PNP Lady Patrollers. Dito po tayo sa Paco Arena sa opening ng ating second round of eliminations ng Season 2 ng UNTV Volleyball League. Ito pong ating mga fans, merienda. Yari Yonko still here. Wendy Ansimana also there, part of the coaching staff na yan ng Lady Gunners na kanina natalo po yan, believe it or not, in 3 sets kontra sa Lady Firefighters.
Yan ang something na talagang bonding nila. Right after the game, nandito silang lahat kumakain.
Parang mami ni Olores yung nagdadala ng pagkain.
Yes, so sa kanila, after the game, may mga post-game request daw sila na pagkain. Tapos yun yung niluluto ng mami ni Ian Olores.
Galing. Alright, set number 3 underway. Bangkola with the serve. Could be an ace. Nope. Ganda ng pagkatawi doon. But binalikan sila ni Oliveros right away. And hindi na naiangat ni Attorney Fernando yung bola na yon.
You know, this is an important game para dito sa koponan ng Comelec, no? Kasi they don't wanna be at the bottom half of the team standings. Kasi pag natalo sila sa larong ito, didikit na sa kanila yung Senate. Halos didikit na sila. Kung manalo man ang Senate on the next game, magiging pareho na sila dun sa team standings natin. And come to think of it, we only are looking for 4 more teams who will go to the next round here.
Oo. Mantala, I think a net touch, ito tawag dito. Kontra sa Patrollers or Lady Patrollers. We're tied at 1. Good serve. For a better pass. Bangkola sa gitna. Oliveros. Ilangat ni Manlapit. Overhead toss para kay Abil. Here comes Vicente. Cut shot. What an angle.
Ang ganda rin nung spin ng bola, no? Nung pinasok niya yung attack na yon.
Tuan. Kia Gomez. Gendrauli. Good save. Para kay Tin Bangkola. Gendrauli ulit. Bangkola with the up. Ronquillo. Down the line, got it.
Very powerful attack and very fast attack coming from Ronquillo. Hindi na siya nag-cross court ngayon eh. Dinerecho na yung atake niya. Targeting that zone 1.
2 straight points ipinuntos ng Lady Patrollers. They're up 3-1. Set 3. They're also up 2 sets to nothing. Gendrauli. Yes, nagamitan ng konting net yun. So, only a 2-point run ang inalaw ng Suffragettes para sa Lady Patrollers. Attorney Fernando with a high serve. Oh, Attorney Fernando with a dig. Battle at the net. Mananalo na naman si Oliveros. Oliveros already with 11 points.
Medyo mahirap na kasi yung saluhin for the Comelec as well. Sobrang dikit na.
Actually, 12 na pala kay Oliveros, who is serving now. 4-2. Oh, kinapos na. Hindi nakaabot si Jane Yumang for the set.
She was supposed to set the ball eh. Kaya lang hindi niya nahabol yung bolang yon.
Layo din kasi.
Layo.
So 2-point run. Lady Patrollers. Gendrauli. The tip is outside.
Gendrauli on their last game against the PNP. Ang ganda rin niya, 33 points. Imagine that, with 28 attacks.
Passes outside para kay Manlapit. Patuloy ang pag-struggle dito sa start ng set number 3 para sa Suffragettes. Coach Marcos, katawag ng kanyang unang timeout very early.
Nawawalan kasi ako ng kumpiyansa, kaya parang
Ay, yung problema natin, di tayo makareceive. Pag di tayo makareceive, nagkakabaliktad na yung gusto natin gawin. Sila rin nakaka-service ng makarga, tayo na yung hindi nakaka-receive, bumabaliktad na. Okay, ngayon kailangan natin rumeceive. Mapigilan natin sila pag nag-service tayo, karga natin yung service natin. Nawawala tayo eh. Nawawala tayo. Okay lang kayo.
Paano gusto niyo gawin? Wala na, ituloy na lang. Kato nga, huwag bitawan. PNP! Team! Gani, oy.
Improving on the reception of the Comelec Ladies Suffragettes, no? Isa yan dun sa mga sinabi ni Coach Ricky Marcos in that timeout. At syempre, kailangan din talaga kargahan nila yung mga services nila dito sa larong ito. That has been a challenge for them since the early on, no? Dun sa ating first and second set of this match.
Second referee, Ryan Vincent Corpus, may chinecheck with technical committee. Hindi pa tayo makapagsimula dito after the timeout.
Maganda rin dito ng maraming supporters dito ng Comelec Naga, no? Na even the chairman of Comelec is always present on their games, no? Nakapagbigay ng moral boost para sa kanilang gupunan. But this time around, wala yung kanilang chairman. But every time na napapadaan dito si chairman, talagang mas ginaganahan ng Comelec Ladies Suffragettes on their games.
For sure. Gendrauli, good response after the timeout. Kuha ng puntos para sa Suffragettes. Coach Marcos hoping magkasunod-sunod na to. Gendrauli now with 9 points. Malaki-laki kaya habulin dito ng Suffragettes. Etukas. Abil inangat. Yumang. Go to Gendrauli. Gomez to Ronquillo. Yumang back to Gendrauli with a tip. Easy pick up para kay Ronquillo. Ronquillo atake. There's gonna be a violation. Net touch. Patawag kay Gendrauli. Magalit si Gendrauli. Does not agree with the call.
Let's take a look at that.
Parang ewan ko nga, no? That's a close one. Puntahan natin si Jess Constantino.
Eric and Rina, specific yung instructions ni Coach Rod for the PNP Lady Patrollers for this third set. Una nga daw, mag-full force na sila for this third set. Ibuhos na nga daw nila lahat. Huwag daw nilang bigyan ng chance na makabalik itong Comelec Suffragettes. And lastly, they have to stay aggressive. So let's see how the PNP Lady Responders will respond to Coach Rod. Balik muna sa inyo.
Maraming salamat, Jess. Well, maganda ang kanilang response because they're up by 5 right now. If they get a chance ball here, they can go up by 6. And they do! Ronquillo will knock it in.
Butas na butas yung opensa doon ng Comelec Suffragettes.
And right now, as you see the celebration para sa Lady Patrollers, Gendrauli, medyo mainit ang ulo dahil doon sa call against her. Ilalabas siya ni Coach Marcos because di na siya makadepensa. Wala na siya sa focus. And papasok si De Los Santos for the first time today.
She needed time to cool off her head, no?
That's right.
Oo, para makapag-focus ulit siya sa laro eh. Sometimes yun yung challenge for the players as well, na kailangan huwag sila mag-focus dun sa calls ng mga referee. Because sometimes, syempre, hindi lahat ng calls ng referee tama for them. So, they need to focus on the game.
That's right. It's part of the game, actually. Any game.
Mental toughness to stay focused on the game. Lagi yung maririnig sa coaches.
May mga calls talaga hindi will go your way. Basketball, badminton, volleyball, kahit anong sport yan. There are calls na baka mali, medyo iffy.
On the gray areas, yung mga ganun kung tawagin
pero hindi mo pwedeng ma-affect kasi pag na-affect ka, masisira ang laro mo. Eh, pag nasira ang laro mo, matatalo kayo. Especially if you're one of the key players like Gendrauli. Samantala, Etukas, with back-to-back errors dito, nagkakaroon ng easy points for the Suffragettes.
And Comelec Suffragettes is taking advantage of this one, no?
Biggest lead was 6 points. Ngayon, 4 na lang hinahabol. And there's an ace. De Los Santos, ang ganda ng pasok na rin. Right away, making an impact para sa Suffragettes. Butas na butas to. Wala pa nang lumapit.
Nila outside kasi yung angle ng bola, no?
So from down 6, 3 na lang nakakalahati ng Suffragettes. Yung deficit, Ronquillo. Pinangat ni Abil. Abil atake with a push. Ronquillo again. Nice dive ni Manlapit. De Los Santos, papalo. Ronquillo, a much better distance sa net. Inangat ni Attorney Fernando. There's Abil, block. Attorney Fernando with a dig. Vicente with the pass. Ronquillo ulit. Bang!
For the third try, Ronquillo made sure na she dropped the ball dun sa open space ng Comelec.
Napagod na rin. Kita mo yung Suffragettes. After all that activity, napagod na rin. That was one long rally. Balik sa 4 ang kalamangan para sa Lady Patrollers. That stops the 3-point run ng Suffragettes. Etucas. De Los Santos with a dig. Overpass. Etucas will score.
There's also this player from the Comelec trying to save that ball pero hindi lang making that ball across the court.
So 2-point run naman. Doon na matatapos yung 2-point run ng Lady Patrollers. Ronquillo with a service fault.
Ronquillo right now on your screens, no? With 12 points na siya sa game natin.
Manlapit looking for her first points. 1-2 play para kay Bangkola. Abil. And gets it through the block of Etucas.
This time around, naisahan naman ni Abil yung block attempt dito ni Etucas.
Oh, kinapos yung push ni Bangkola. At don't look now, this is a 3-point run para sa Suffragettes, and from down 6, dalawa na lang ang hinahabol ni Manlapit and the White Shirts.
Maganda sana yung idea ni Team Bangkola. Natatalon lang siya, ida-drop lang niya yun nang hindi siya tumitingin. Kaya lang she was not able to execute it well.
Bangkola to Gomez. Oh, that's wide. And isa na lang ang kalamangan ng Lady Patrollers. Coach Pinalba, isip ko, tatawag na ba ako ng timeout? Sabi niya, wag muna. Kaya pa natin ito. Labang pa tayo ng isa. We'll see. Suffragettes on a good run. Again, 6 yung kanina, nabaon sila. And right now, they can tie on the serve by Manlapit. Bangkola to Etucas, inangat ni Yumang. Manlapit, itatawid ang bola. Chance ball dito para sa Lady Patrollers. Gomez. Oh, what a rally. Ang gandang balikan. And there is Etucas with the nice kill. Matatapos doon yung run ng Suffragettes.
Tamang-tama lang yung power na binigay ni Etucas, no, dun sa bola, no. Talagang down the line. That's the target for Etucas.
Not a good pass. Making chance ball to. Ronquillo. And wait a minute. That's double contact. Itatawag. Kontra sa Suffragettes. A good 2-point run ang sagot dito ng Lady Patrollers. So balik sa a more comfortable 3-point lead para sa Red Shirts. Makakahinga ng maluwag-luwag si Coach Pinalba dito. Abil. Pancake save is short para kay Team Bangkola.
Sila Ronquillo was trying to put her leg out, no? Gusto pa niyang saluhin with the leg. Kasi in volleyball naman, any body part naman, di ba?
Oo. Before, hindi pwede. Nasiko mo, hindi pwede. Ngayon, any body part. So, only a 2-point run para sa Lady Patrollers. Naka-side out ang Suffragettes. Oh, good save by Manlapit. Yumang! Hindi na itawid ang bola. Sayang.
Too short for Yumang right there na nakatalikod sa net.
So Bangkola with the serve. Abil, short pass. A difficult set, kaya nahirapan si Attorney Nocon to get it up.
And also kay Yumang kasi hinabol pa niya yung bola to be able to give that set. Kaya medyo tumabingi yung bola.
4-point lead for Team Bangkola and the Lady Patrollers. Another short pass. De Los Santos nakakuha ng tulong mula sa net.
Small but smart move coming from De Los Santos that time around.
Serving 15. Yun ang masakit. Napasigaw si Judith Abel doon. Puntahan natin sa courtside, Jess Constantino.
Eric and Rina, in one of their games, shinare ni Judith Abel that the secret to her energy ay coffee. To be specific, iced coffee na siya nga daw yung mismo yung gumawa as part of her pre-game ritual. She moved here in Manila from Iligan in 2014 to play for the University of the East, where she finished business administration. According to Judith, volleyball saved her from depression and stress dahil every time nga daw na naglalaro siya, she feels stress-free and it gives a certain freedom that only the game can give. What do you guys think?
Maraming salamat, Jess. Well, definitely. I mean, not just a great stress reliever, it's a great motivator. It's good for your body. I mean, there's nothing you can say wrong about sports. It creates teamwork, stimulates your mind, you name it. You know, everything that's good for you, you can get from sports. There's a hit. Oliveros naghahanap ng block touch. Walang itinawag si Polly Sanchez, our first referee.
Saka yung mga public servants natin, yan talaga yung sinasabi nila na stress reliever talaga nila. Mapa-UNTV Cup man o mapa-UVL tayo, talagang ito, yung sport nila is their stress reliever kasi sa sobrang dami nilang trabaho. And sometimes these public servants, no, hindi lang sila Monday to Friday kung magtrabaho. Some of them would work also kahit weekends natin, diba? Na rest days dapat natin. But sila, they would go for their duties or their work.
And siyempre, pag yung stress mo, yung sa dami na ginagawa mo, you can't take it off your mind unless you do something else. And pag naglalaro ka ng 3 sets, 4 sets, 5 sets, syempre yung focus mo, yung tutok mo is in the game, and mawawala for, what, 2 hours, 2.5 hours, depende kung gaano kahaba yung laro, mawawala at least yung mga problema mo sa trabaho because you're thinking about sports, you're enjoying with your teammates, you're getting challenged in a different way.
Yes, that's so true. Tsaka mas nag-excel talaga sila sa sports na to eh. So they really would want it here.
Alright, timeout si Coach Marcos. Baon sila ng 5 dito. Late in set number 3. Pakinggan natin.
5 lang yan. Last timeout na natin to, ate. Hindi tayo makakapag-timeout, okay? Relax lang tayo. 1 good pass lang tayo pag may maganda. Sige, bigyan mo quick. Pag medyo buka, rest lang tayo. Ayun lang tayo, ha? Okay? Judith? 3 na kayo mag-receive mo si, kailangan mo na rumisib. Iba na kasi yung kanina saka ngayon. Okay, kailangan nyo na rumisib. Okay, receive na rin kayo. Okay, tara, 1 good pass lang tayo, ha? Kanina nahabol natin, mahabol natin yan. Go.
Oo nga, ilan lang naman yung mga puntos dito na hinahabol dito ng Comelec. Kayang-kaya nila to. And now, Coach Ricky Marcos is asking all of them to be able to have a good receive dito sa larong ito.
Well, naghahabol sila ng 5 kasi si Tin Bangcola and the Lady Patrollers are up by 5. So, kung sila ang tatakbo ng 5, tatay sila. Kung papabayaan nila tumakbo ng 5, tapos na itong laban na to.
Yes.
So, it's now or never. And sabi niya nga, last time out na to. Kaya gawin na natin yung kailangan natin gawin. De Los Santos with a good pass. De Los Santos with a tip. Quick reflexes ni Oliveros. There's Vicente cross court and Vicente gets another point.
Yumang apologizing to her teammates with that kind of pass.
Lady Patrollers, after losing in 5 sets kontra dito sa same Comelec Suffragettes, right now 5 points away from winning in straight sets. Pero Judith Abel says, teka muna.
Wait lang, sabi ni Judith Abel, hindi pa tapos itong larong ito. I still want to win this ball game.
15 serving 20. Kailangan umiscore ng sunod-sunod nitong Suffragettes right now. They need to get a stop. Ronquillo. Ito. Yumang sets it up. Abel with a push. Nako, easy pick up to ngayon kay Gomez. Etukas. Inangat ni Manlapit. Sa hit by De Los Santos. Good exchange para sa parehong koponan. Ronquillo. Got it!
Ronquillo making sure na hindi siya pupunta dun sa kamay ni De Los Santos.
Mantala magpapalit as Paginado and Padilla check-in for Vicente and Bangcola. 4 na lang kailangan dito ng Lady Patrollers to win the match in straight sets at makaganti sa 5-set loss nila against the Suffragettes in the first round. Good serve. Tough pass. Nahirapan dun si Yumang, and that could be the beginning of the end para kay Yumang and the Suffragettes.
It's too close to the net. Medyo na-confuse si Yumang kasi tumatakbo na rin yung lady from the PNP, no? Close to the net.
Samantala, si Tejada, they call her Barbie. Barbie Tejada checking in. Napaltan si Etucas. Not a good pass. Yeah, back-to-back points.
You know, this is also not a usual flow or game for the Comelec Suffragettes. Hindi ganito yung kilos nila in their normal game eh. Baka lang siguro medyo na-pressure din sila. Kasi dun sa first round sila yung nanalo. So kailangan maipanalo din nila yung laro nito.
Tatlong sunod-sunod na aces. And that will be 9 match points para kay Paginado. And the rest of the Lady Patrollers. Disappointment sa mukha ni Coach Ricky Marcos. Yumang inangat. De Los Santos. Eto, Paginado can put it away. Ronquillo. No, not yet. Sabi ni De Los Santos with a nice block. Abil, the hit. Medyo nasa likod niya yung bola. And that's into the net. And that'll do it. A 10-point win in the end para sa Lady Patrollers against the only team na nagbigay sa kanila ng talo in the first round. The Comelec Suffragettes. Hindi man lang nakaisa dito. Sila Judith Abil and the White Shirts. As this will be a sweep by the league-leading PNP Lady Patrollers in their second and final meeting sa Season 2 ng UNTV Volleyball League.
Too many giveaways para dito sa kupunan ng Comelec. No? Napakarami na ng errors dito, kaya naman easy points ito para sa kupunan ng PNP Lady Patrollers.
And our best player is Patrolwoman Mila Ronquillo.